In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF document on your iPhone without downloading any application. So once that document is sent to you, make sure it is saved to your files. Then go ahead and open your files. Browse to where the document is found. For mine, it is found on my iPhone. This is a document right here. When you open up the document, scroll to the page where you would like to add your signature. Then you're going to see a pen icon down here. Click on it. Click on this icon here. Click on the plus sign right here. And you're going to see add signature. Just go ahead and click on it. Click on add or remove signature. And then you can add a new signature right here. Just go ahead and draw your signature. And then when you're done, click on done. That signature is going to be added to your page just like that. Click on it to highlight it. Then you're going to see a stroke here where you can add the thickness of your signature. Then just add it right up to 10 points. And you can also change the color of your signature, but let's use black. So when you're done customizing your signature, just hold and drag in order to size it up and then place it exactly where you want. When you're done doing that, just click on done and you can share your PDF using the share icon right here.